Oh, it's in Newark?
Yeah. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms.
And 1,330 square feet of living space. We helped these homeowners purchase this home back in 2019, and now we're taking these first-time home buyers and turning them into first-time home sellers. Let's go check it out. Known for its easy access to Palo Alto and Silicon Valley, the centrally located Newark condo features plenty of natural light in this townhouse-style floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The downstairs level greets you with fresh paint, crown molding, recessed lighting, gleaming floors, an open dining and living area with fireplace, and an open concept kitchen with stainless steel appliances, stone counters, and a breakfast bar. The slider leads to the private patio and storage, perfect for indoor and outdoor flexibility and entertaining. The primary bedroom suite with French doors features treetop views, private bathroom with dual sinks, and a walk-in closet. Adding to the appeal of this home is the in-unit washer and dryer, convenient access to your own private garage, community pool and gym, and a central location near Dumbarton Bridge, Highway 880, Newpark Mall, parks, schools, restaurants, and so much more. So that concludes the tour of my newest listing. If you'd like a private showing of this home or any home on the MLS, please feel free to contact me. And if you're a seller that's looking to get the highest price in the shortest amount of time, please feel free to contact me for a no obligation consultation. Thanks so much and make it a great day.